Kevin Mahn joins me to look at the markets this morning. You say there are growth areas in AI beyond stocks like NVIDIA. You're telling me, and I'm interested in this.
Yes.
Data centers.
Yep.
These gigantic data centers that are being set up, they need them because of AI.
Yes.
How do I invest in them? Because this is a really big area.
Sure, and NVIDIA has been the poster child of the AI race, a race that I would suggest is going to be a marathon, not a sprint. But there are more investment opportunities beyond just the chips companies. Data centers are equally important in that ecosystem because they provide the computational and the storage capacity that these chips need to process all these massive algorithms that are responsible for artificial intelligence. Take a company like Digital Realty, Stuart, a REIT. They actually have 40 million square foot of rentable space across 5 continents for data centers. And they have a dividend yield of about 3.3%. That seems like a good investment opportunity to me.
Yes, not bad at all. I know some people involved in the data business of building these data centers. They're absolutely gigantic.
Yes.
Concentrated in Northern Virginia, frequently.
Yes.
And one of them has its own dedicated nuclear power plant, does it not?
Yes.
To supply much-needed electricity when they really need it.
Yes. In fact, it's estimated that data centers alone will consume up to 10% of the world's electricity by 2030. Yeah. That's a massive amount of electricity. They also run hot. So here's another stock that I think is worthy of consideration, Vertiv Holdings, an industrial company.
Say it again, what's it?
Vertiv Holdings.
Vertiv, V-E-R-T-I-V-E. Guess
what they do, Stuart? They provide the energy, the infrastructure, and the cooling solutions to data centers. Remember, these data centers run hot, and they draw down a lot of electricity. They need help controlling that electricity and making sure they don't overheat. Vertiv supplies that type of technology.
Okay, what's the stock ticker symbol, Vertiv?
VRT.
It's doubled this year.
Yeah. Why am I not surprised? And a Digital Realty.
Digital Realty, DLR.
DLR.
A real estate investment trust.
Yeah, I'm enthused. I was talking to someone just the other day about these gigantic data centers that are springing up. I mean, it's extra, and the security around them.
Yeah.
Because if you knock out one of these data centers, you've crippled the AI function in that particular company.
Absolutely. Even Microsoft just announced they're building $2.9 billion worth of their own data centers in Japan by the end of 2025. This area is exploding, and it also creates really interesting investment opportunities.
You're looking shocked.
There's a story we're going to do in the 11 o'clock hour about the fleet of fighter jets being operated by artificial intelligence. Well, what if the data center goes down?
Exactly. They're the nervous system of the AI ecosystem, incredibly important.
You've revealed a very interesting investment area.
Backup generator.
That's real good stuff.
A really big backup generator.
Huge. Thanks so much, Kevin. Good stuff, man.
My pleasure.